This is Motorola Edge 40 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can see, my parental controls are indeed active. So from there, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Google category. Onwards, click at the Manage Your Google Account option that you have below your Google account name. Then open Data and Privacy section of the Google Account Management Center. Scroll it all the way down, go for the Delete Your Google Account option from the More Options field. In here, in order to continue, we will need to verify that it's us by entering the child's account password. So let me do exactly that. In here, confirm that you would like to delete your account and, well, do so. At this point, if the synchronization went successful and the changes were acknowledged by the system, as you can see, there is no Google account left, and if I will open up the parental controls list, there will be none, which identifies that we have successfully deactivated parental controls. The only thing that is left to do on my end is to recover the Google account, which I can very simply do by signing into Google Play Store or any other Google app or service with it. So let me quickly enter my credentials. Then after inputting the email address, you should get the following message that signalize that you did everything right up until this point. So enter your password after the aforementioned message. And 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong message, error message rather. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your Google account credentials one more time. And usually the second time around it allows you to go through and go with your day. Or rather go about your day. Yep, as you can see now I can finish the login. So accept all the services, all the terms and what's not. And well, your account is successfully recovered. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.